Hey dear, what's up? This is Akhtar Zaman, Assistant Professor of English and a freelance writer, welcoming you all to today's session. Today in this session, I will focus on how to become a freelance writer and start earning bucks in a short period of time. Dear viewers, earning is our necessity. And if it is freelance writing, yes, I'm talking you about freelance writing. Freelance writing means writing which we do independently, and we don't write under any person, we don't work at any institution, just we can work independently and earn money. This is in brief freelance writing. There are a handful of freelance writing: SEO writing, content writing, copywriting, business to business writing. You have to follow few steps to be successful as a freelance writer as a beginner. At first, you have to make a list of all the skills you have. Then choose your niche, research your niche, create samples to build up your own portfolio. You start pitching, wait to find your work. It may take 1 to 3 months to find your first work. Then keep working, get paid. So this is how you can start your freelance writing and start earning bucks in a short period of time. So let's get started in detail.